Om Namah Shivaya.
Let's start this week's Tech Talk starting with Vivo. Vivo launched its Vivo V30e in India. This smartphone has 6.72-inch FHD plus 120Hz refresh rate, 393 ppi IPS LCD display. It is powered by Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC. It has LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage. It runs on FunTouch OS operating system based on Android 14. It has 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera setup, 8 megapixel selfie snapper, a 6000 mAh battery with 44 watt fast charging. It has Bluetooth version 5.1, Wi-Fi 5, IP64 rating, side mounted fingerprint scanner, dual stereo speakers and USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Vivo T30e is launched in 3 variants. The price of 4GB 128GB variant is Rs 12,499. The price of 6GB 128GB variant is Rs 13,499 and the price of 8GB 128GB variant is Rs 14,999. Realme is going to launch its Realme Narzo 70X 5G on 24th of April in India. Motorola launched its MOTO G64 5G in India. This smartphone has 6.56-inch FHD plus 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass protection, IPS LCD display. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 chipset. It has LPDDR4X RAM with up to 12GB virtual RAM support, UFS 2.2 storage. It runs on stock Android 14 operating system. It has 6000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging. It has 50 megapixel main camera with OIS plus 8 megapixel ultra wide plus macro dual rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper, side mounted fingerprint scanner, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, 3.5mm audio jack, IP51 rating and USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. MOTO G64 5G is launched in 2 variants. The price of 8GB 128GB variant is Rs 13,999 and the price of 12GB 256GB variant is Rs 15,999. Realme launched its Realme P1 Pro in India. This smartphone has 6.7-inch FHD plus 120Hz refresh rate, 394 ppi 800 nits peak brightness OLED display. It is powered by Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC with Adreno 710 GPU. It has LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 3.1 storage. It runs on Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. It has 50 megapixel Sony LYP600 plus 8 megapixel Hynix HI846W dual rear camera setup, 16 megapixel Hynix HI1634Q selfie snapper. It has 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging, Bluetooth version 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, IP65 rating, in-display fingerprint scanner and USB 2.0 Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Realme P1 Pro is launched in 2 variants. The price of 8GB 128GB variant is rupees 19,999 and the price of 8GB 256GB variant is rupees 20,999. Vivo is going to launch its Vivo V30e on 2nd of May in India. OnePlus is going to launch its OnePlus Pad 2 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in the second half of 2024. MediaTek announced its 6nm architecture process based MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset in the global market. Nothing launched its Nothing Ear at a price of rupees 11,999 and Nothing Ear A at a price of rupees 7,999. Realme GT6 receives NBTC certification. Vivo Y18 has been spotted on TDRA certification. Realme C63 has been spotted on Indian BIS certification. Techno Phantom V Fold 2 5G and Techno Phantom V Flip 2 5G appears on EEC certification.
This is all in today's Tech Talk. I hope you like it. Signing out for now. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and please remember to wear the mask.